Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Welcome to JRS Vlogs. Jaguar has revealed the limited-run Jaguar XE Reims Edition, the first in a series of so-called Jaguar Factory Specials. The XE Reims Edition will feature, alongside the blue and red paint, a black roof, black mirror caps, black sill inserts and 19-inch gloss black alloys. Other standard features include privacy glass, badge deletion, heated seats and a cold climate pack that includes heated windscreen, heated steering wheel, and headlight washers. The 200-unit limited edition follows the international launch of the updated standard XE in February. The refresh included a tweaked design, better equipped interior and a package of driver-oriented instruments, controls and technology originally brought to market by Jaguar's I-Pace. Jaguar has recently launched the facelifted XE sedan in India, with prices starting at 44.98 lakh rupees, ex-showroom, India. The model comes equipped with BS6 compliant petrol and diesel engines, while the XE also gets exteriors and interiors tweaks. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and comment. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and have a nice day. Take care. Bye.